Alright, this is another video for 1HT about exercise 82, D, E and F, so the second half of this exercise. First we're going to start with exercise 82D. Here we see 2xy in brackets to the power of 3. That means we have to do 2 to the power of 3, that is 8, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And then we have x to the power of 3 and y to the power of 3. Then I see a minus, so I'm just going to copy that. And now this 2 is not in the brackets, so it just stays a 2. And then you have x to the power of 3 and y to the power of 3. Now if the powers are exactly the same, which they are, you can add them. So 8 minus 2 is 6, x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3. So this is how that exercise works. Moving on to exercise E. Here we see something divided by something else. So first we're going to take a look at the regular numbers. Minus 18 divided by 3 is minus 6. And then we have p to the power of 6 divided by p to the power of 6. Now earlier you learned that if you have a power divided by a power, so for example x to the power of 5 divided by x squared, you subtract them, so you have x to the power of 3. But if you do that here, then you have no p's anymore, because 6 minus 6 is 0. So what happens is you just remove it. So we have no p anymore. And then here we have q to the power of 4 divided by q to the power of 3. That means you still have one q left. So you can write down q. You can also write down a 1 here, but you don't have to. Moving on to exercise F. This one is really big, as you can see. We have to multiply out some brackets by doing this times that and this times that. We need to work out this, and then we need to see if we can simplify it some further. So first we're going to do a squared times 3a to the power of 4. That's 3a to the power of 6. And then we do a squared times 5. That's minus 5a squared. Then we have plus 5a squared. I'm just going to copy that. And then we have a minus. And then we're going to work out this. 2 squared is 4, and then 3 times 2 is 6, so a to the power of 6. So let's see if we can simplify it. Here we have minus 5a squared, and here we have plus 5a squared, so together it's going to be 0. So we can just ignore this. And then we have 3a to the power of 6 minus 4a to the power of 6. That's minus 1a to the power of 6. Now the 1 in front of it you don't have to write down. So the answer is minus a to the power of 6. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a nice weekend.